Silver just hit $38 an ounce, a 14-year high, and silver stackers are scrambling. Prices are moving fast, and it feels like the window is closing. But is there really a rush to buy, and is it too late to get in? Here's what you need to know before making your next move. Let's get into it. When I saw silver jump to $38, my first thought was, did I miss the boat? I should have bought more last week. Everyone online was really hyped up, calling it a breakout. But then I realized most beginners may not even know what $38 silver actually means. So let's clear it up fast. Here's what most beginners miss. $38 is the spot price, but that's not what you actually pay if you buy silver. Spot price is the live market value of 1 ounce of pure silver. Think of it like the base cost of the raw material. It's what traders pay on global markets before anything is turned into a coin or bar. But when you buy physical silver, you're not buying raw silver dust. You're buying a shiny, finished product. That means you'll pay spot price plus a premium for things like minting that coin, round, or bar, for packaging, shipping, and dealer profit. Right now, with spot price a little over $38 an ounce, for example, a generic silver round, like this Buffalo round here, will cost you between, I would say, $41 to $43 with premiums. And a 1 ounce American Silver Eagle could cost you $44 or more with premiums. So yeah, silver hitting $38 sounds big, but most of us have already been paying more than that. The key is understanding total cost, not just the spot price. So why did silver jump to $38? Here's my quick breakdown. Number one, inflation's still high, hovering around 2.5%, which is well above the Fed's 2% target. That lingering inflation keeps pressure on the dollar and pushes more people toward hard assets. Number two, the world's unstable. Between war, tariffs, immigration crackdowns, and economic uncertainty, people are rushing to precious metals like silver and gold as a safe haven. Number three, industrial demand is exploding. Remember, silver is not only a precious metal, but it is highly used in industry. Silver is essential for solar panels, electric vehicles, AI semiconductors, and all of that is scaling fast. And last, supply is lagging. We're not running out of silver, but it's not something you can just print like fiat currency. Silver is God's money. It has to be mined from the earth's crust, refined and processed, and that takes time. Bottom line, high demand with low supply will result in rising prices. That's the formula behind this price surge, and that's my take. No, we didn't miss the boat, not even close. Silver's still under its 2011 high of nearly $50 an ounce, and analysts say it's still undervalued compared to gold. Here's proof. Even if you bought one 10-ounce bar today at $38 spot, around $400 or so with premiums, that's the same bar would have cost you only $320 just 6 months ago. Sure, it's higher now, but if silver ever hits $50 again or higher, and it will, hopefully sooner than later, this same bar could be worth over $500. I would still buy silver today at the current spot price, although I would be mindful to buy silver as close to spot price as possible. I wouldn't go all in or anything like that. I would still follow my strategy of buying in small volume, but consistently, whether it's every week, every month, every 2 months, or quarterly. It's not about timing it perfectly. It's about stacking consistently. And the key is to remember, stacking silver is a long-term game. So we need to stack smart in this environment. Number one, don't FOMO buy. Buy small and consistent. Even 1 to 2 ounces a month really adds up. Number 2, watch premiums. Skip the shiny right now, especially with spot price at over $38 an ounce. Go for generic rounds and bars. Go for the lowest premiums and stack for weight right now. And number 3, stick to your plan. Always have a strategy. Build slowly but consistently. Stay focused and ignore the hype. Silver stacking isn't about timing the market. It's about building real wealth consistently, 1 ounce at a time. Silver hitting $38 doesn't mean you're too late. It means people are finally waking up. Forget trying to time the bottom. The real win, building the habit of saving in silver. Now, drop a comment. Would you still buy silver at $38? And please hit that like button if this video gave you some clarity. As a bonus, I teamed up with my AI assistant to create a free beginner's guide to silver spot price. Super simple and easy to understand. Links in the video description. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and keep stacking.